Welcome, my future Power to Train athletes. This is session number 3 of our no impact workouts. Similar process, 30 seconds on with 30 seconds off. What are we going to do here is emphasize the rest parts a little bit more. So instead of a little walk like this, we're going to try to have it more of a march to keep our heart rates up throughout the 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, enjoy the workout, and I'll see you in a few seconds. And we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Pick up and put on shelf. Pick up and put on shelf. That's what we're doing. Notice how I'm twisting my feet. That's what I want you to do. And then I'm gonna switch sides in 3 seconds. Let's do one more on this side. And switch sides from the other side, and then put on shelf. Pick up and put on shelf. You guys are doing great. Like I said, these are a little bit more intense this week. And we're done. So the intensity changes right here. I want you to really march it out with a lot more conviction than we had in the previous weeks. So before we're doing this, if you can, march it out more this week like this, just like this. Next exercise is gonna be a couple steps to the left or to your right, whichever you got room for, and a little squat. But march it out. Here, 3, 2, 1, and we go 1, 2, squat down. 1, 2, squat down. If you don't go all the way down, that's perfectly fine. 2, squat down, march, march, squat down, march, march, squat down. Nice job. Squat down. There we go. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and march. And like I said, marching is a little more conviction this week. Next one is gonna be high knees and then chest press. So see how my knees are right now? We're gonna try to go a little bit higher if we can. If you can't, that's quite all right. Do the best that you can. That's always the way to go, the best that we can. And we're gonna go in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and high knees and chest out and out. Really squeeze those chest muscles and work those guys out. There we go. Straight backs, look straight ahead of you, look straight at me. We're halfway done. And really squeeze that chest. Big chests, big and toned, that's the way to go. 5, 3, 2, 1, and march. Like I said, a lot more conviction on the marches. Now we're gonna go knee to elbow after this one. You have 20 seconds left. Remember guys, new workouts are coming out every Monday and every Thursday. Thursday is kind of just a random workout, but Mondays we always have a progression of what we did on the week before. But anyway, we're going to 5 seconds. Knee to elbow. Ready? Go. Go. Knee to elbow. Pick them up. Pick them up. As high as you can go. The purpose of this week's workout is a little more effort, little more exertion. As high as you can go. Halfway done. Nice job. Just concentrate on what you can do and do the best that you can. 3 seconds. 2, 1, and a strong march. Still no impact. If you can, get a soft surface or gym shoes to reduce the impact. This one is going to be foot to hand in front. We've done this one before, and we're going in about 10 seconds. So keep marching, keep moving. In 3, 2, 1, and go. 1, 2. Keep that arm out. You can keep the arm up too if you like. You can do this. Depends how much of a fool you want to look like. You can keep it out, or you can keep it here and just simply do that. Whatever you're most comfortable with. Nobody's judging. Nobody's looking. Just have fun. Keep it up, keep it up. 3, 2, 1, and march. Nice strong march. From here, we're gonna work on legs a little bit and the biceps a little bit. So we're gonna go to a lunge curl. My mat's moving around a little. So let me just put this back where it belongs. You guys keep marching. There we go. All right. Lunge forward with a curl in 3 seconds. 2 seconds, 1 second. Lunge and curl and back up. Lunge, curl, back up. Alternate legs. Go as low as you can. But if you can only do a minimum, you can only do this and just step forward, it's perfectly fine. If you can go all the way down and then back up, that's awesome. Either way, I go about halfway. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and march it out. All right, keep marching, everyone, keep marching. Once again, a little more self-promotion. Subscribe if you want to see more of these workouts. Every Monday and every Thursday, early in the morning, at least where I live. I think I post them at 4 in the morning. Otherwise, we're going in 8 seconds. And we're gonna go elbow to knee, but on the same side this time. So this way. One, kind of like a clown or like a jester. And twist to the side, and elbow to knee. Twist, twist, twist. You guys are doing great. Halfway done. Same side. This works on those glutes, works on the obliques, and 2 and 1, and march it out. Nice job, everyone. Nice job. And this mat keeps on moving, but that's okay. It's not gonna stop me from finishing this workout. We have 10 seconds left. And we're gonna be doing a squat to a shoulder press. Once again, try to extend your arms all the way out, but you don't have to squat as low as you can. And up. And really press, pretend you are lifting a heavy weight. And it's all about the mind-body connection. Really concentrate on the legs and on the shoulders and nothing else. Keep it up. 10 more seconds. 5 seconds. Keep it up, keep it up. And last one, and we're done. And we're back to marching. And this mat keeps on moving. It's okay. Whew. If you need to take a break, it's a good time to take a break. Otherwise, keep marching. Good, convincing march. Next one is going to be when we bend at the waist and we twist and we come back up. In 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and bend down, left, right, and up. Down, left, right, and up. Keep it up for 30 seconds. Halfway done. 15 seconds left. You guys are doing great. 5 seconds. 3, 2, and march. Nice job, everyone. 30-second rest. This one is going to be a lunge. I'm going to fix this mat once again. I'm going to put a weight on top of it next time, but it's okay. It's going to be a lunge with a tricep extension. So do the lunge and then really squeeze those arms backwards, all right? I'll stand this way so you can see me. 2, 1, and it's gonna be lunge, lean forward, squeeze, and back up. And lunge with the other leg, lean forward, squeeze, and back up. Lunge, forward, squeeze, and back up. Lunge, forward, squeeze, and up. Halfway done, forward, squeeze, and up. Forward, squeeze, and up. Oh yeah, you can feel those triceps. I know I can. We got 3 seconds. Let's get this one done. Squeeze and up and march. Once again, nice convincing march. It's the biggest difference between this week and last week and the week prior to that. Much more conviction this week. Hopefully you've done the other workouts a few times and you're able to do this. If you're not, slow it down a little bit. All right, we go into lunge, front and back in the same motion. Ready? 2, 1, stand, lunge forward, same leg. Lunge backwards, same leg. Alternate legs, lunge forward and lunge backwards. Alternate legs, forward and backwards. Forward, and we're halfway done, and back. Forward, keep on getting closer and closer to the camera, and back. Forward, and back. Last one, let's finish this one up. And back, and here we go, and march it out another 30 seconds. All right, we only have 4 minutes left. This is going by quick, and it's fun. So let's see what we're doing next here. We're gonna high knee, and then we're gonna work the chest again, so a butterfly. It's a butterfly chest exercise if anybody ever asks you. So remember, high knee, arms out, and squeeze, squeeze. There we go. As your leg comes up, squeeze it all together. Run, perfect. If your legs don't go up this high, it's okay, but you can squeeze that chest as much as you can. Another 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and march. More conviction on the march. No jumping, just conviction. Next exercise we're going to do is going to require a little bit of balance. I'll show it to you. I'm going to go in 10 seconds. I'm going to switch in this exercise halfway through. We're going to switch legs. I'm going to start off on my left leg and try to keep my balance. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Arms forward. This leg up in the air. Bend forward and up. Try not to put your leg down. If you have to put it down and do this, that's perfectly fine. Whoop. See what I mean? But you really have to concentrate. And then switch legs. Once again, try not to put this leg down, down, and up. This works those hamstrings really well. 2, 1, and there we go, and march it out. That was a rough one. That was a rough one for me. I almost bit it on that one. Nice job, everybody. Now we're gonna go foot to hand and back. The opposite arm to the opposite foot. Keep the other arm extended out in the air, all right? So it's gonna be nice, long, sweeping motion to the back of the foot. So here we go in 5 seconds. 3, 2, both arms up, and then back to the foot, back to the foot. I can touch the ceiling here. But bring those arms up. This also works the hamstring. You're curling up, you're doing a curl with your leg. Nice job. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and we rest. All right, we're almost done here. One more exercise left. It's gonna be high knees and arm circles. Halfway through, switch the direction of the arm circles, and then we're gonna be done. So we're almost done. 15 minutes flew by like that. Repeat this 3 or 4 times a week, and we'll be ready for next session next week. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and arm circles and high knees. There we go. Swing those arms. Once again, a little self-promotion. If you guys want to see more content like this, please subscribe and come back every Monday for more workouts like this and reverse. There we go. Big arms, concentrate on those arms. Big shoulders. A lot of movement. 3, 2, 1. Thanks a lot. All right, great workout, everybody. See you guys on Monday. Have a great training week.